How to use Ucard at Sam's Club. Follow the instructions. Visit a Sam's Club location with an active membership. Pick out items that are eligible for Ucard benefits. Proceed to the checkout counter. Let the cashier know you will be using a health benefits card. Swipe or insert your Ucard like a regular credit or debit card. Enter the last 4 digits of your Ucard as the PIN if prompted. Ensure the items you selected are covered under your Ucard benefits. Complete the transaction once approved. Check your receipt to confirm the correct items were covered. If any issues arise, ask a cashier or visit the customer service desk. Store your Ucard safely for future use. Check your remaining Ucard balance regularly to avoid declined transactions. Thank you for watching.